Do you have a great startup idea? Are you about to hire a developer or an agency? In this video, we are going to see how to improve your product idea with technology and growth hacking techniques, as well as how to prioritize your ideas and features. Then you will be able to launch your software development. Hi and welcome. I'm Amaury Khelify, founder and CEO at MyCTO. Having worked with more than 150 startups as a CTO, today I'm going to share what I do the best, improving startup ideas with technologies. Just in case you missed it, in the previous video we talked about improving the value proposition and how to use our ICI2I framework. It's a complementary approach that I highly recommend you to watch after this one if you didn't already. The link is in the comment section below. So here is the plan. We are going to improve your business idea, your startup ideas through the technology perspective with growth hacking techniques, as well as to prioritize all the ideas and features you might come up with. So without further ado, let's improve your project with the technology brainstorming. You should consider technology as a catalyst to create value proposition. The most difficult part is to be aware of what's possible, as well as how hard or easy it could be to integrate some of those technologies. Most of the time, founders think it's very complex and expensive to develop applications or even to use artificial intelligence. But there are shortcuts. Big corporations already created solutions, sort of Lego blocks that you can use in your product. As a basic example, I made a video that explains how to create a mobile application in 5 minutes. You can check it out, it's also in the comment section. So when creating a startup, being able to handle technology in the most effective manner is a real plus. That's also why many startups with CTOs are more likely to get funds. You cannot just count on providers. You need to be able to analyze as a founder what are all the options before to move on further. That being said, no matter if you have a technical co-founder or not, the process to improve a startup idea is to try and inject some technologies in your solutions and to see if you could create something new out of it. Something that people could get some value from, right? In order to do so, I would like to invite you to use the technique I shared in the previous video, the ICI2I technique. Analyze what are the technologies that leaders use to inspire you. What are the technologies that competitors use? How do they implement them? And what innovators do? It could even be big corporations like Microsoft or Google. What are the techniques and technologies they are using on a daily basis? For example, try to imagine your offer with an IoT device, or what an AI algorithm could do for you, or what if your solution could speak or understand customers' voice. Here is an example of technologies you could use. If you are not familiar with them, maybe you should consider our brainstorming and roadmap definition course. You can find the link in the comment section. Again, for that technology brainstorming, it's good to use my framework, the ICI2I technique, being inspired by leaders, competitors, and innovators. So let's do it. Click on pause now and let's do it. Brainstorm about your idea, including this technology. Are you done? If yes, then consider asking to influencers what they think of your idea and if it could make a good fit for your market or not. You see, this is the ICI2I technique and it works for both business model, technology, and it will also work for growth hacking techniques as well, which is indeed the third perspective to innovate with your product by using growth hacking techniques. If I would simplify or explain growth hacking, I would say it's using technologies to acquire customers. More specifically, hacks with social media or existing platforms. Sometimes a growth hacking technique could be as simple as writing the perfect message and sending it to a very narrow audience. Or it could be a conquest, like if it's relevant for your business, people could win something and you could increase the chance to win every time you share a message or your post on social media. And there are thousands of other examples, like the PS I love you signature on every Hotmail message. It works pretty well. Or the hack Airbnb used to share automatically new apartments on Craigslist. These are just a few examples, but you can apply the ICI2I framework as well, analyzing what are the techniques people use to inspire you, what your competitors do to get new clients, and what innovators do as effective customer acquisition strategy. Once you've done that from the three angles, the technology, the growth hacking point of view, but also the value proposition perspective, which is the topic we covered in the previous video, it's time to prioritize your features. Life is all about prioritization, and prioritization is all about saying no. There are 3 criteria to consider when building a roadmap: the value provided, the costs, and how aligned is it with your vision. For example, at My CTO Friend, we could take commissions by redirecting startups to agencies or to providers, but we don't because it's not aligned with our vision. So to prioritize, gather all your post-its and just give a score to each of your ideas according to these 3 criteria: the price, the customer's needs, and your values, the fit to your vision. And then organize them in 3 or 4 columns, like the version 0, version 1, version 2, and version 3. Create 3 columns and prioritize your features among them. That's the simplest way to prioritize features and brand new ideas after a real effective brainstorming. I hope this detailed process was very helpful. If that's the case, leave us a comment, like and share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification icon. Now, if you want to get deeper in this brainstorming and roadmap definition process, just check the link below. We have a course that can allow you to evaluate not only how to prioritize features, but also evaluating the cost of your project. And if you are serious about building a startup and want to become a better CEO and tech manager, you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook, as well as visiting myctofriend.co for more startups management tips. I will see you in the next video.